Hello and welcome to this little video tutorial for installing files on the Customstuff mod server in Minecraft. As you already see, I have on the right side my server folder opened with the config folder with all the folders in it for Customstuff, the mods with the Customstuff 2.2.3 server zip archive, world and all the rest. Now, if I go to Minecraft server in the jar, I open it with WinRAR. You can see that Customstuff and another folder from Customstuff is installed. Now, to install these files in your server, you need the Customstuff zip folder. When you start it, it will generate a config folder with all the folders in it. And of course your files. That's it. For the server you don't need to install the textures for some items or anything else. To install this on the client side, go to my tutorial 4 and at the end of the video I will show you how to install it. Now, to install it on the server, go to your config folder with all the folders. Here I have my block view item origin recipes and s recipes. If I drag my block into the custom blocks, my view in the custom views, that's it. You're now done installing your files in the server. Then just start your server and everything's okay. So this was the video on installing files on the server side. I hope you learned something and stay tuned for next videos.